Hi there. In this video, we'll take a look at this microstep driver, the kind used for controlling stepper motors in CNC machines, 3D printers, and robots. On the front, we have configuration tables to select the number of steps and the current levels using DIP switches. And up here, we find the terminal block. This is where all connections are made: power, motor, and control signals. Now this is the stepper motor we'll be using. It has 4 wires and operates in bipolar mode. It moves in small, precise steps and can hold position even when powered, perfect for high accuracy control. We connect the A+, A-, B+, B- wires from the motor to the driver. Then, we hook up the power supply, in this case 24 volts. Next, we wire the control signals from an Arduino or logic source to the PUL, DIR, and ENA terminals. With everything wired up, we turn on the power supply. We first test the enable pin. If it's not active, the motor will be free to rotate. We send a pulse signal to the PUL terminal. This generates movement one step at a time. We can now control speed, direction, and enable state, all using simple logic signals. Next, we check the direction pin. Changing it should reverse the motor rotation. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Arduino and electronics content. If you'd like to support the channel, you can donate via PayPal or check out the Patreon link below for exclusive content and behind-the-scenes projects. See you in the next one. Blast off.